It's a big cup tie atmosphere for this game. The team lineups have been announced. Let's see how they weigh up against each other.
They're playing three at the front. It's a 4-3-3 formation. An attacking formation, 4-3-1-2, is using an attacking midfielder to support their strike partnership.
So, the referee gets this match underway. Both teams more than capable of winning it. Which way is it going to go? And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
This is Busquets. Defender in possession. It's Messi with the ball.
That one has gone out of play. PK! Oh, well taken by the goalkeeper. That's nicely played.
Perfectly executed.
Tomato.
This player is taking on the opposition.
Good ball.
Great technique.
The keeper's blocked that one. Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play. Is Suarez.
Not the best effort there. Let's have another look. How out of character. He normally buries those.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution.
Costa. That's good link-up play. Is this a goal? Shoots! Oh, good catch by the keeper. And that's a throw-in.
We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today.
Costa. A few minutes of stoppage time to play. There's the half-time whistle. It wasn't a great opening 45 minutes, but we've got the second half and still plenty to play for. So here we go. So much at stake in the second half of this Global Challenge Cup match.
He loves to go past players with the ball. It's Messi with the ball.
Is Suarez.
That's out for a corner kick.
Incredible reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look. And here's a chance. And that's off target. That one has gone out of play.
Wide of the mark from the player. Let's take another look at it.
Well, the keepers have certainly been the stars here today.
Headed on. Confident pass. Back towards the centre.
Costa. Costa! This one will be a joy to look back on. Smashed into the top corner.
A quick sub could work wonders for the team.
Let's see a replay of that crucial goal. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway.
Striker's ball.
Easy for the goalkeeper there. Good distribution from the keeper there.
Defender is on the ball. Throw in here.
The player's down, I think he's injured.
Oh, there's active. The sub is coming on to replace the injured player. Both sets of players have had their fair share of the ball.
Sends it long.
The attacker is in possession.
What a chance! Has a crack, and it's in!
2 goals today from this exciting player. Let's take another look at that. Celebrations are over, so the ref starts things up again.
Oh, well timed. He's onside here. Shoots! Now, that was close. Not much in it there at all. Well, surely all he can do now is grab a consolation goal. There's not much time left, and it seems all over. They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. Costa. Good ball. Surely now, keeper collects that one.
And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. This is Busquets.
And the referee blows for full time. They've progressed through.